Today, we are going to look at one of the enhancements with the Boxlight Panel update that came out yesterday. So we are used to annotating over the top of documents, and we do that by selecting the sidebar triangle and choosing the yellow pen. Now, typically that pen shows up and we can tap it a couple times and it changes colors. But look at how exciting this is. So a lot of us have asked, can we change the size of this? Are there more colors? I would love for it to do X, Y, and Z. Well, guess what? This is very exciting because now when I select the pen, I have multiple color choices. I can actually adjust and choose lots of different colors. So all of you who are my people who love to pick that certain color and change it, you have the ability to do so now. Not only can you change that color, but you can adjust the size of the line by using this little lever. So what I'm able to do now is circle over the top of everything, and I can adjust the width of that so that it brings different attention to it. What? Not only can we do that, but we have this brush option. Same thing with the brush option. The brush is going to be your highlighter. Again, you can highlight in different colors. You can change the width of the highlighter. So now when I drag across, it looks like that. Maybe I want to change it, make it a little wider, bring more attention to it. I have this. Now, I bet you're wondering, can I still lay my hand flat to erase? Guess what? You can. So instead of an eraser now, see, it's just making a little circle, but it erases everything that you had. You also, if we've highlighted all over here and you want everything gone at once, you can hit the trash can, which will close it out. If you want to save something, so we want to save what we were working on, I can hit the square. It's going to save it directly to our panel. But now, instead of saving it in that notes folder named Mark, you have the ability to choose where it gets saved to. What? Now you're going to be able to easily find those items. How exciting is that? And then last but not least, you have some options. So when I select more, I can choose the files button. It's going to save it just directly to the files. So it will save it, storage, in the Mark folder. So now instead of that mark folder being hidden, remember we're marking up a document. That's how we remembered it. It goes directly into the files section. So we have this yellow pen. When we selected more, the file section puts it right into that files. The save section allows us to choose where we want it to save. But Sarah, there's some more options. Oh, I know. Let's see what some more options are, because when we work hard, we want to be able to do some things with this. So I see that we can insert it, we can share it, and we can send it to the cloud. So if I insert it, this is going to be your screen clipping. It's going to take the entire screen that you have right now, and it pops it right into the notes document. Then you're going to notice some different features. So now I can actually crop this. So if I want to get rid of some of this stuff and only have the document showing, now is where I'm able to actually crop that and choose what I want to save. I select OK, and now it brings it in here. This is very, very exciting. Let's come back. Going to open up our document again because now we're going to select this pen. We're going to choose the option more. So pen, we tapped it. We have our color choices, the width. Brush, tap it a second time, color choices, width. Clean deletes everything. Save allows us to choose where we have it to save. Files, boom, pops it right into that mark folder. Remember, we're marking up a note. Insert is like our screenshot. Share, when I select share, this now is going to generate a QR code. What on earth? Think about this. Your students have devices in front of them. You've taken these notes, you've written all over this stuff, and you want your students to be able to save this document. So what they are going to do is they are going to take their device, they are going to point it at this QR code. It is going to open up a file, and then what occurs is you are able to see this document on your device. So they are able to save it, they are able to add it to their Google Drive, they can add it to their OneDrive, whatever you are utilizing, so that they are able to have those notes. And the final one is cloud. When we select cloud, what it's going to prompt us to do is sign into our cloud drive. So if you want to save it directly to your Google Drive or OneDrive, you would sign in, or hopefully already be signed in, and be able to access it from there. So there are some exciting enhancements with the pen for annotating over any item that you are using. We're excited for that.